Arterial blockages can arise due to a blood clot or the development of plaque from elevated cholesterol levels in the bloodstream. Both these conditions necessitate extensive and continuous treatment for clearance. The number of individuals with high blood pressure and unfavorable cholesterol levels is steadily rising, constituting a significant health concern that often evades early detection. Experts posit that this predicament typically commences with damage to or obstruction of the inner arterial lining. Several factors contribute to heightened cholesterol levels, such as excessive smoking, genetic predisposition, an unhealthy diet, lack of physical activity, obesity, abdominal girth, and diabetes. However, there exists a natural remedy that can combat these issues. This remedy is beneficial for individuals who cannot afford or are not suitable candidates for bypass surgery, those seeking to avert recurrent heart attacks, individuals diagnosed with heart blockage, those suffering from heart disease, experiencing constipation or ulcers, and those aspiring for weight loss. The subsequent natural concoction is designed to purify your arteries, reduce unhealthy cholesterol levels, and lower high blood pressure. It comprises potent, all-natural ingredients known for their immense health benefits. Let's delve into the components of this solution. 1. Ginger juice, 1 cup, 250 milliliters. 2. Garlic puree, 1 cup, 250 milliliters. 3. Lemon juice, 1 cup, 250 milliliters. 4. Apple cider vinegar, 1 cup, 250 milliliters. 5. Organic honey, 2 cups, use the same cup for measuring. Now, let's proceed with the straightforward preparation method. 1. Extract juice from the ingredients. 2. In a saucepan, combine ginger juice, garlic juice, lemon juice, and vinegar. 3. Heat on medium for 30 minutes while stirring continuously. 4. Remove from heat and let it cool completely. 5. Add 2 cups of honey and thoroughly blend the mixture. 6. Transfer the mixture into a clean bottle and store it in the refrigerator. To consume this tonic, take 1 tablespoon of this solution on an empty stomach every morning. Additionally, you can have 1 tablespoon in the afternoon and at night. Properly store it in the fridge, where it remains suitable for 1 to 2 months. Always use clean, dry spoons when handling this mixture. The health benefits of the ingredients. Garlic reduces blood pressure, prevents blockages, alleviates cold symptoms, possesses antibacterial properties, regulates blood sugar, treats skin infections, aids in weight management, addresses respiratory issues, among others. Ginger prevents and treats heart disease, enhances blood circulation, supports weight loss, boosts energy, eases cold and cough symptoms, and more. Lemon regulates heartbeats, facilitates proper heart function, assists in weight management, and more. Apple cider vinegar detoxifies the body, contains essential minerals, potassium, vitamins, and enzymes. Honey alleviates cold symptoms, fights bacteria, provides an energy boost, contains antioxidants, reduces the risk of cancer and heart disease. If you want to request a video with another topic about health, please let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.